Oh Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the flowers are done. Tis you must go and I must hide. But come me back when summer's in the meadow. Oh, when the valleys hushed and white with snow, till I'll be there in sunshine or in shadow. Oh Danny boy, oh Danny boy, I love you so. Well, hi there pluckers, I'll Saw Things again with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. Classic traditional song, of course, Danny Boy, and this is a version done by Eva Cassidy, apart from the fact that I'm using a pick and she finger picks it, but same sort of chord sequence, okay. So standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Eva Cassidy, which is the key of C, okay. So let's get to it. So it starts off with the C chord. Oh Danny boy. What we do there is we start off with a standard C chord, sort of arpeggiating it, okay, and then you lift up the second finger and open up the fourth string, okay. So it's oh Danny boy, that sort of thing, okay. Like that. So 5, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2 with an open fourth string, yeah? Whichever strings you pick around, it doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing. Oh Danny boy. Okay, then we go to a C7, that's a C chord with the pinky on the third fret of the G string. The pipes are, then we hit the fourth string open and then the second on the fourth. So, oh Danny boy, say seventh, the pipes, open fourth, the pipes, E, second on the fourth, R, F, calling. I'm playing a four-fingered F, you could play a simple F, fine, or a bar chord F, whichever F you want to play. I'm playing a four-fingered variety. That's a standard F with the third finger up to the third fret on the fifth string and pinky on the third fret of the fourth string. Okay, so right from the beginning again. Oh Danny boy, the pipes are blowing. And we do a little F, E minor, a partial E minor will do. Just that, you can play a full E minor if you want, or just a simple E minor, second on the fourth downwards, and then to a D minor 7. That's barring the first two strings on the first fret, second on the third, open fourth, open fifth. So it's oh Danny boy, the pipes are calling. That bum, 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 from Glen to C, Glen. Now a partial G chord, all you need is the second on the fifth, and then all below that, all open string, to an A minor. So, from Glen to Glen, and down the, then you put this, take this third finger off the A minor, put it up to the third fret on the bottom E string. Okay, so far. Oh Danny boy, pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountain. As far as we got, D minor 7th. That's that D minor 7th, barring the first 2 strings on the first fret there. Second on the 3rd, open 4th, open 3rd. And then just before you change to the next chord, you play the open A string and then to a G. So it goes where are we? From glen to glen and down the mountainside. I've over accentuated that, but that's the idea. Open A string and then the G. 6th, bottom E string, 3rd fret, strum downwards. Okay, so far. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. Summers. Now we do the first line all over again. C, open the D, open C7 of flowers, open A, D string, and then second on E. So that's summer's gone and all the flowers are F dying. E, A minor, as before, D minor 7th. 'Tis you, 'tis C, you, A minor 7th. So it is you, 'tis you, must go is D minor 7th, go. G and I must C. Bye. Right, so let's go through the whole thing very slowly. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you, must go and I must bide. Right. Then what we do is to finish it off, we put an F suspended 4, putting the pinky on the 3rd fret of the D string, the 4th string. Where it goes, and we're over to you. Must go and I must bide. Okay, so you. That's right. So once again, we'll go through the whole thing right to the end, right? Here we go. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you, must go and I must bide. Okay, stop there. Right, then let's move on to the chorus now, and then you'll have everything you need to play the whole song. Okay. So, coming out of the first verse, we end up on that C suspended 4th. Do a pause, and then, but come ye back. So go to G on come, but come ye, C, back. And we open up the 4th string, 2nd on the 4th, single notes, yeah? But come ye back. F, summer. summers in C, the middle. Got that? So from the B, but come back when summer's in C, the middle. Right, that's that G, sort of partial G chord, second on the fifth that we played earlier, second on the fifth, 4, 3, 2, 1, all open, to an A minor, and then that third finger goes up to the third fret of the bottom E string to make A minor 7th, or A minor with G in the bass. Okay, so but coming back when summer's in the middle, oh, when the valleys. Hushed is F, hush, and E minor on white, white, with D minor 7th on snow, snow. That quick A string again, open to G. Okay, so from the beginning of the chorus, but come ye back when summer's in the middle, oh, when the valley hushed and white with snow, 'tis early, back to C there, can't reach that one, but never mind. And then you play that open fourth again, and the second on the fourth. So, till I'll be there, F in sunshine, and then we do this, in orange shadow, back to C. Okay, so that's G, 'tis I'll be C there, open fourth, second on the fourth, in F, sunshine, and then we play this. It's like a C diminished. It could be called an A diminished, various other names, right? But I'm going to call it a C diminished. Okay, so I'm playing the first finger, 4th fret of the 4th string. Second finger is playing the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Third finger is playing the 5th fret of the 3rd string, G string, and Pinky's playing the 5th fret of the top E string. Just those 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just a single strum. Okay, so oh, come ye back when summer's in the middle, oh, when the valley hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be there in sunshine or in C, shadow, F, oh Danny, C, boy, A minor 7th, oh Danny, D minor 7th, boy, G, I love you, C, suspended, and there you have the chorus. Then basically it just repeats another verse and another chorus again with different words. Okay, so let's just go through the chorus again, coming out of the first verse. But come ye back when summer's in the middle, oh, when the valleys hushed and white with snow, 'tis I'll be there in sunshine or in shadow, F, oh Danny, oh C, A minor 7, D minor 7, I love you, C, suspended. And there you have it, boys and girls, my version of Eva Cassidy's Danny Boy. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.